Dun-dun, dun-dun, dun-dun. Dun-dun, dun-dun, dun-dun. Dun-dun, dun-dun. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Oh, you walked out.
I walked it out.
I was just saying, there's no way she paddled that way.
Walk that way. Walk back again. Yeah, that's what everybody's doing. Like the guy's carrying it. I think you handle that. I'm only going to steer. I'm like, okay, I'm only going to steer.
So what you're saying is you found your happy place?
Well, I want to go to the water. I'm tempted to stand up, but I could really take that.
That's a terrible idea. Yeah.
I think I was definitely.
Yeah, well,
So the second time I've been on the paddle.
come on.
Yeah.
Which one? Blueberry or? Cheers. I thought you paddled out. Jesus. Fucking yes, I was. I was like, I mean, I grabbed another granola bar, but you know, like it wasn't like I was. No, when I but my shoes were on the back of the boat. What? No. Well, if I'm gonna walk up, that's easy, but no. Where? Yeah, it is. He's swimming right under there. Holy shit, there's no way. Dude. I know you're not supposed to get close to that. We're gonna bump into each other. Let it go, but out of respect. The woman who was worried about her phone going under the water just stuck it under after.
Period of time, I said.
I told you that could be under 30 minutes. But I'd rather have you break it. Get a new one. I got a lot of videos, I think. Whoever watches is going to see what you're... Well, I'm not going under the water. I don't have...
See it when you were swimming back